Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera. Your new ride is just a phone call away.